I'm going to run through a quick demonstration of why you want Google AdWords to be part of your revenue generation system. We'll run through these in a rather quick fashion. First thing, this one I just searched for commercial solar panel installation in Los Angeles. First thing people see is right here, Green Conception. And the second one is Peterson Dean, it looks like. Those are the first two things people see. Then they go into Google Maps, and from there on it's up to people to search a lot more. These two here are the first two things people see. And millions of dollars are spent on Google AdWords for the simple fact that they work. We'll just keep looking here. Now we're not looking commercial. We're just doing solar panel installers in Denver. Xfinity and looks like ARE Solar are the first two things that show up there. This is before people even start scrolling. They may start scrolling, but now we've got some reviews, we've got Yelp, and then we have the first official listing that belongs to a company. So this is the powerful area. This locks into their mind. If you've got the right words, then you'll have a click. Move over here. Now we're doing, again, this is more residential, solar panel installation, Portland. We have one person, Sunbridge Solar, that's the advertiser up there. Then we go into Google Maps. Over here we have commercial solar panel installation, Honolulu. No one is after this market. This is Rec Solar. They're probably the ones that should be there. We scroll down a little bit. We've got the reviews. Here is Rec Solar like it should be, Hawaii Power. But you can be the very first thing people see at the very top. We've got solar panel installers, Houston, Texas. I'm using slightly different words here. No one wants those words in Houston, Texas. And so it goes directly into Google Maps. So we'll try a slight variation here. We'll say installation. We'll try that version. And again, no one is advertising in that. So it's wide open. You could be getting results off Google Ads for almost nothing. Here's another one. This is commercial solar installation. No one's advertising Google AdWords here. And so whoever these first ones are, these are all organic listings, and they're coming up before everybody else. Let's put major in front of this. Major commercial solar installations. We've got Solar World. Again, no one's business, no one advertising for this significant set of what's the word I want? Keywords, that's the word I want. No one's advertising for that. And so it's just wide open for this. And these are big jobs. These are, multi-$100,000 to multi-million-dollar jobs. No one's advertising for these jobs. So that's just a quick view. We'll bop through them really quick. Those two people are advertising. And this one in Denver, these two people are advertising. In Portland, one person advertising. In Honolulu, no one's advertising. Let's go back to Honolulu real quick. Where's Honolulu at? There you are. Let's take commercial out just to see if there's anyone advertising more in the residential world. And again, no one advertising in the residential world. And so if you're not one of these first three here, then you're down there in the organic listings. We'll come back. We'll look at the Google My Business or Google Maps in a second as well on a separate video. So that's that one. There's Houston, and then just the general words, no one is advertising there. So a lot of opportunity in the solar world for Google AdWords. Look at our other videos to see what the other opportunities are.